Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Lenovo just launched a plug-and-play AI box that could let any car manufacturer instantly add advanced AI without building it themselves. I'm Emily. Your outsourcing the brain makes sense when building one is this hard person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who just learned car companies have historically refused to use anything they didn't build themselves. Stubborn industry meets AI reality.
A serious reality check. The car industry has long operated on a not invented here philosophy. If Ford didn't build it, Ford was suspicious of it. But building a sophisticated multimodal AI system from scratch is genuinely difficult. Managing a 13 billion parameter model while making sure a thermal spike doesn't shut down safety-critical functions is a monumental engineering challenge most automakers simply aren't equipped for.
That's exactly where Lenovo's Auto AI box comes in. Built on Nvidia's Drive AGX Thor chip, it's a complete out-of-the-box AI computing platform automakers can simply install. It keeps the conversational AI assistant securely separated from core driving functions, uses Lenovo's decades of thermal engineering expertise to survive harsh car environments, and processes AI directly at the edge, avoiding cloud latency and privacy risks most manufacturers struggle to solve reliably.
The economic case is compelling too. Instead of spending 5 years and billions of dollars building a proprietary voice assistant, an automaker can simply drop in Lenovo's solution and focus purely on the user experience. Standardization means lower costs, faster development, and genuinely safer systems through economies of scale most individual manufacturers can't achieve alone.
And the companies most likely to adopt this fast are the newer new power automakers like Volvo, Polestar, and Geely's various brands, already comfortable using external tech stacks. Even legacy giants like Volkswagen and Nissan are becoming pragmatic, realizing their real competitive advantage is brand and chassis engineering, not competing with Nvidia and Lenovo on AI silicon.
Lenovo's real advantage is spanning pocket to cloud, Motorola phones, ThinkPad laptops, and massive data center infrastructure, letting them offer a genuine personal AI twin that follows you from your office to your car. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. The next car you buy might run on a brain built by a laptop company. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.